Hello guys, myself Professor A.T. Kadam from the Department of Mathematics at Kekewa College of Agricultural Engineering and Technology, Nasik. Today we are going to discuss the basic formulas of mathematics. Their contents are important trigonometric formulas and basic calculus formulae, that is derivative of functions and integration of functions. First upon, we have to see the important trigonometric formulae. The trigonometric formulas are used for the variety of applications. For example, those formulas help geologists to measure the distance between places and help astronomers to measure how far stars or other planets are from Earth. Here, the list of trigonometric formulas are given. See, sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. 1 plus cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a. Cot a plus b is equal to cot a cot b minus 1 upon cot a plus cot b. Cos 2a is equal to 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a, or cos square a minus sin square a, or 1 minus 2 sin square a, or 2 cos square a minus 1. And 3 cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Next, sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Cos a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. 1 minus sin 2a is equal to cos a minus sin a bracket square. 1 minus tan a upon 1 plus tan a is equal to tan pi by 4 minus a. Cos square a minus cos square b is equal to minus sin a plus b sin a minus b. 2 cos a cos b is equal to cos a plus b plus cos a minus b, and sin a minus sin b is equal to 2 cos a plus b upon 2 into sin a minus b upon 2. Next, 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a. 1 minus cos 2a is equal to 2 sin square a. Cot a minus b is equal to cot a cot b plus 1 upon cot a minus cot b. Tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. Tan 3a is equal to 3 tan a minus tan cube a upon 1 minus 3 into tan square a, and sin a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Next, tan a plus b, which becomes tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. 1 plus sin 2a means cos a plus sin a bracket square. Sin square a minus sin square b is equal to sin a plus b into sin a minus b. 2 sin a cos b is equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. 2 sin a sin b is equal to cos a minus b minus cos a plus b, and cos a plus b cos b is equal to 2 cos a plus b upon 2 into cos a minus b upon 2. Next, 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a. Sin minus a is equal to minus sin a. Sin 2a is equal to 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a, or this can be written as 2 sin a cos a. Sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Cos minus a is equal to cos a, and cos a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Next, tan a minus b, that will become tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b. 1 plus tan a upon 1 minus tan a, that will become tan pi by 4 plus a. Cos square a minus sin square b is equal to cos a plus b into cos a minus b. 2 cos a sin b is equal to sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. Sin a plus sin b is equal to 2 sin a plus b upon 2 into cos a minus b upon 2, and cos a minus cos b is equal to minus 2 sin a plus b upon 2 into sin a minus b upon 2. Next, we have to see the basic calculus formulas. First upon, we can see the differential calculus formulae. What is differentiation? The differentiation is the process of finding the derivatives of function. The derivative of function is defined as y is equal to f of x, which is measures of the rate of change of variable y changes with respect to x. It means that the derivative of function with respect to x. There are the number of rules to find the derivative of function. Thus rules makes the differentiation process either for the different functions such as trigonometric function, logarithmic function, etc. And we can see the list of differential calculus formulas are given. The first is the derivative of x is 1. Next, derivative of x raised to n, that is algebraic function, is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. Derivative of any function multiplied by any constant, that is k, is equal to k into derivative of given function. Derivative of sum of two functions, that is f of x plus g of x, is equal to derivative of f of x plus derivative of g of x. Derivative of sin x means cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Next, the derivative of tan x means sec square x. Derivative of cot x is equal to minus cos x square x. Derivative of sec x is a sec x into tan x. Derivative of cosec x means minus cosec x into cot x. Derivative of log x is equal to 1 upon x, and derivative of e raised to x is equal to e raised to x. Next, derivative of exponential function, that is a raised to x, is equal to a raised to x into log a. Derivative of inverse trigonometric function, that is sin inverse of x, is equal to 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. And derivative of product function, that is u into v, is equal to u into derivative of v with respect to x plus v into derivative of u with respect to x. And last is the derivative of u by v is equal to v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v whole divided by v square. Those are all the differential calculus formulas. Next, we have to see the integral calculus formula. So first upon we have to see what is integral calculus. The basic use of integration is used to add the slices and make it into a whole things. In other words, the integration is the process of continuous addition, and the variable c represent the constant of integration. But integration formulas are used to find the central points, areas and volumes for the most important things. Also, it helps to find the areas under the graph function. There are certain important integral calculus formulas helps to get the solution. Those integral calculus formulas helps to minimize the time taken to solve the problem. The list of integral calculus formulas are given below. Now, first the integration of dx will becomes x plus c. Integration of algebraic function, that is x raised to n, will becomes x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Integration of constant into f of x is equal to k into integration of given function of x. Integration of sum of two function will becomes the integration of first function plus integration of second function. Integration of sin x is minus cos x plus c. Next, integration of cos x is sin x plus c. Integration of sec square x is equal to tan x plus c. Integration of cosec square x is equal to minus cot x plus c. Integration of sec x into tan x is equal to sec x plus c. Integration of cosec x into cot x is equal to minus cosec x plus c. Next, integration of 1 upon x is equal to log x plus c. Integration of exponential function, that is e raised to x, is equal to e raised to x plus c. Integration of a raised to x is equal to a raised to x upon log a plus c, and integration of 1 upon root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to sin inverse of x plus c, and integration of u into v is equal to u into integration of v minus integration of derivative of u into integration of v dx. Thank you.